Hey guys, this is Dale. I'm back. I'm by myself right now. I just left the city, and in 15 minutes I'm deep in the Cumberland Mountains. I'm at some hiking trails, and I'm right below the Cumberland Trail to be exact. There's a hiking trail right there. I'm seeing this structure. It's been here for a while. And I'm going to walk on down here. I'm noticing the structures along the trails. And I see this here next to this trail up here. I'm seeing all this. I'm seeing this. And this right here is way cool. I don't know if y'all can see this, how that's twisted. I don't know how this video is going to turn out. And this tree right next to it. It's just bizarre trees. That's just a trip. I see a lot of stuff like this along this trail. The trail goes up through here. I have had encounters in these woods. Several of them over the years. They travel through here when the muscadines are heavy in the fall. Muscadines are all gone now. But when the muscadines are in, these guys are all over the side of this mountain. And just coming up here to see what's changed. If anything at all. These are some bizarre woods. A lot of deer here. Shout out to my subscribers. And thanks again for all the awesome comments. It's been a while since I've been in these woods. What's neat about this place is I'm right here in the Cumberland Mountains. And when these big guys could jump in the river, swim across it, be in the Appalachian Mountains up in Tellico Plains in no time. I don't know how this is going to turn out because the sun's going down. I'll try not to make any sudden jerks. Something's been traveling right up through there. Sticks normally do not fall naturally in X shapes, or they normally don't fall in structure forms in a form that leaves a design or sticks normally don't fall like this right here. But who am I? I'm just noticing strange structures that are out of the ordinary. This here gets more bizarre every time I look at it. This is just so bizarre how that makes an X. And this is just super bizarre. How this log is just floating here. And it's just sitting there right here. That's just so bizarre. Sorry about that, y'all. That's just so bizarre. I dub you Creepy X. Next to the Twisted Tree. Twisted Tree and Creepy X. Wow, okay. It's a good name for a video. That's just so bizarre. Wow. As long as I don't see any dream catchers hanging from the trees, I'm good. Yeah, I'll just make a loop around here and take a little hike. It's ironic, these weird structures are on every one of the trailheads I've seen that are in wildlife areas that have a huge amount of land. And I visit a lot of places. Looks like turkey scratchings. This looks totally natural, or who knows? Looks like it. No dead trees above it. Who knows? This arch is being pinned down right here. It's a hallmark sign of the hairy guys for sure. Tree break right here. Right here's the tree break. Right there. Sticks normally don't fall and create things like weird like that. Normally. Have some of this dead debris laying around being used to create this or make this. Who knows? The woods are dead silent right now. I have heard whistles in here. This place is just bizarre. All this here could have been made from, there's some dead limbs right up there. Gonna sit here a minute and be quiet. Like sticks normally don't fall like that right there. And like that, when there's no dead trees above it. Some of this stuff is weird. No dead trees up there. Some of this stuff is just weird. Tree make a big X with the butt of the tree up in there making a Y. The butt of the tree is in the fork. I don't know if y'all can see it. And this is bizarre. That's weird. That's weird. That was growing up there like that and fell down. That's exactly how that got there. How this big tree above me got here upside down, I'll never know. Field goal. Hey, Mr. Squirrel. There's actually about 40 miles of this to the next town of South Pittsburgh. Caves and bluffs. Yeah, the big guys, they live in these mountains. They're scattered out, they travel through. It's getting kind of dark, guys. I'm sorry for the poor film quality. Looks like a big trail. Huge trail going right up through there. Wow. It's so beautiful in here. Sticks normally don't fall like that. Normally. Just seen a big owl. I have actually found humongous seashells under big trees like this. I think I still got half a dozen of them left over from the flood. I like to get around in this stuff and dig around. It goes way back in there. Sorry about that, guys. I'm such an amateur. Sticks normally don't fall like this right here, especially when there's nothing dead above it. Either the wind, a storm blew this in, or somebody put this here. There's nothing dead above this and that pine tree, and this is not pine. So, creepy structures in the woods. And look for some bizarre stuff right here. Going back down here close to the trailhead. Making a circle and going back close to the trailhead. See what's down here that's bizarre. Wow, this is just bizarre looking at it from another point of view. That right there is just bizarre. Wow, that's just crazy. Crazy. Alright, this stuff's bizarre. A V right there. I'm not far from the trailhead, y'all. It's around all the trailheads. I'm telling y'all guys. So what I'm seeing, this tree's been stuck here. Right there. On the other side of this, right here, all them arches over there. That twisted tree. These structures, this is something like you don't want to use for a deer blind. Out in the middle of the woods somewhere. I promise you. Something like this, you don't want to use this for a deer blind. Anything that looks like this. This area here is just bizarre. Sticks normally don't fall this way, y'all. Creepy X's everywhere. Creepy tree, creepy structures, right there. Creepy. These woods are getting dead silent right now. The only thing that can be heard is my mouth. I ain't fixing to be quiet in here. Something like this definitely wouldn't want to use for a deer blind. Right here. I don't know if a hiker did this. Limbs don't fall this way. I don't know why a hiker would do it. Once again, if they did, a great job. Man, this stuff's just bizarre. I don't know. Okay. I don't see nothing dead right above us. All these trees are in great shape. That big tree right up there is dead, but it didn't make them limbs fall like that. Make all these limbs stack themselves together right over there. I don't think so. Sticks normally don't fall in an X. Normally. Alright guys. I'm going to cut this one short and leave it with this weird X. This is the place of the creepy X's. Thank you guys for watching again. We are going to try to visit maybe a nuclear plant tomorrow. Been wanting to do that. Maybe we will. Alright, have a great day. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.